What is perfect unity? It starts with clear mental space. It continuous with neutral observation. It involves every single experience. It includes every word-image combination. It constitutes whole human knowledge. It formalizes every linguistic subject. It utilizes every criterial description. It identifies neutral connecting bonds. It adjusts with balanced acceptance. It transmits with precise instruction. It activates with functional repetition. It assembles and reassembles for better performance. It appreciates individual contribution. It mechanizes professional institution. It delivers through collective solution. It benefits everybody.